What's going on, everybody? It's John Shaw back with another video about to unbox the Apple Watch Series 6 Product Red Edition. And it's the GPS version. Reason why I opted for the GPS version is because I very rarely leave the house without my phone. I'm more likely to leave my watch than I am to leave my phone. So therefore, I didn't feel like it was a need to go get the cellular version. Also, I've had the Samsung watch in cellular, this is the Galaxy watch. I've had that in the cellular version. Had that for a few years now, and mostly this is set in a box. Matter of fact, I just took this out the other day because I forgot I had it. And forgot that I'm still paying the bill on it too and everything. Forgot all about that. So that's why I opted not to get the cellular version, because I don't really need it. So I rarely go anywhere without my phone. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Get that out of there. I guess you're supposed to pop these open. Got the nice red boxing. Set that aside. So you got the watch itself. Then you got the band. I wanted that new band, but it cost a little bit more, and I was like, okay, I don't really feel like paying a little bit more. They also had another braided version of this one, but it was only at Apple, and at the time I didn't feel like messing with the mail, so I wanted to go pick it up. So I went to Best Buy, and at Best Buy it's the only one that they had. So that's that. Set that aside for right now. Go ahead and open this up. So right here, got your normal instructions. So we don't need none of that. So we're gonna put that in there. You got your charging thing. No brick, because Apple is trying to save on the environment, which I think they're just trying to save their pockets. That's what it is, really. But yeah, you don't get no brick in this. But thankfully, I've had a lot of Apple products over the years, so I got a whole bunch of little bricks laying around. So that's what it is. We're gonna put that back in there. And then finally, you got the watch itself. And I got the 44 millimeter. You see 44 millimeter right there. Product red, and I like that red. I'm just really liking that. Guess I actually started it up, but yeah, I like that product red. That's beautiful. You got your sensors on the back right there. Yeah, it's nice. Let's go ahead and compare it to the Series 3. And what is this one? I forgot what this one was. It's 42 millimeter, so it probably ain't that much bigger. Yeah, so yeah, it ain't that much bigger. The whole watch fits inside this screen, so that's about what it is. It's only like 2 millimeters bigger. It ain't that much bigger. So if I'm thinking right, got this right here, which I'm probably not going to use. Yeah, got this, just your regular silicone crap. Probably got another one of these up in the thing. But I want to see something. Yeah, okay. So I had one of these from this watch. This is a knockoff Amazon one. Want to see how it fits, so I'm probably going to use this. Yeah, it fits nicely. Yeah, I'm probably going to go ahead and use that one. So now that I see that, so that means all my other watch bands should fit. So that's probably what I'm going to use. But yeah, this is the product red Apple Watch Series 6 unboxing. It's John Shaw for Full Effect Gaming. Peace out.